success for so many students. Let's now have all the students carry on the first tradition of standing up to thank your mentors and coaches. Take a minute to reflect on what you've accomplished over this season. The teamwork, developing relationships, learning new skills, preparing for college or the trades, accepting responsibility, having fun, and building character. Come on, guys. Don't make me like teacher voice. Alright. It's not easy to do what you guys just did. Design, build, and compete with a sophisticated machine in a competitive atmosphere. But no matter how you or your team fared at this event, you've come out ahead. Because by participating in FIRST, you've invested in your future. And after being here this weekend surrounded by such a supportive community of culture changers, I can say the future is just got a whole lot brighter. To present our Volunteer of the Year Award, please welcome George Ackley. And Eric Katz. I didn't know you were coming.
All right, so for those of you who know anything about me, I'm wearing a slightly different attire this week than I was last weekend. So first of all, I want to thank, we literally had over 150 volunteers working on the field and behind the scenes to make this event run completely smooth. So I'd just like everyone in the stands to give a quick round of applause to all the volunteers who worked long and hard to put this event on. So it's also my distinct honor to present the Outstanding Volunteer this year. And many of you in the stands know this volunteer, whether it be professionally or personally. This person's been in FIRST since about 2000, so they've been involved in FIRST since before the majority of the high school students have even been born. They've pretty much done every single conceivable position that you can think of in FIRST. They've been a judge, they've been a mentor, they've been a scorekeeper, they've been a field supervisor. This person goes by a lot of names, head coach, but to one team she's just known as Mom. So it's my distinct honor to give the Outstanding Volunteer of the Year Award to Mrs. Sarah Nason.
We told her it was someone else, so that was really funny. I enjoyed that. Alright, for our Woody, it's funny, right? It's funny to make people think that, yeah, okay. Alright, so, for our Woody Woody Flowers finalists, I'm going to invite out to the field all of our previous Woody Flower Award winners to help me in announcing this award. Here they come. Let's hear for them. Dr. William Murphy founded this award in 1996 to recognize mentors who are strong leaders and who inspire and empower using excellent communication skills to help their student team members understand the challenges, opportunities, and satisfaction involved in the discipline of engineering and design. For 2018, FIRST recognizes one mentor in each regional and one mentor from each district championship with the Woody Flowers Finalist Award. At the FIRST Champs in April, one mentor will be selected from the year's finalists and renominated prior year finalists will be presented with the 2018 Championship Woody Flowers Award. Each Woody Flowers finalist will receive a blue banner for their team to display. The judging panel believes the blue banner will emphasize the importance of partnerships between students, mentors, and everyone who's a part of a FRC team. Today at the Bridgewater-Raritan District event, we would like for the following Woody Flowers Finalist Award nominees to come down to the field to be recognized. From Team 56, Mike Prickle. From Team 303, Sarah Nathan. From Team 1923, Lewis Brockman. From Team 1989, Aaron Key. From Team 2554, Kevin Kearney. From Team 2590, Joy Wolf. From Team 3314, James Foden. And from Team 6203, Joseph Delfalco. Photo op. We're going to get a quick photo op, but while that's happening, I'm going to ask all of our judges to please come on in the field and don't get in their photo op unless you want to be, but fill in next to me, yes, photo bomb. Fill in next to me and we'll be able to start our awards. So come on up, judges. Let's hear for the judges. Let's hear for our judges. They did a great job coming on the field. All right, everyone, I want you to listen to me. I'm going to be your air traffic control for this competition. So you're going to come onto the field. You're going to high five your way down the lines. Yeah, you're going to go down. I know. And then you're going to go out that way. Oh, sorry, I'm sorry. Okay, in that way, high five starting with our lead judge advisor, and then come back past me, and then out. There we go, Carl's gonna show us. He's having so much fun. Just go running, and that's pretty much it. And then don't steal the rest flags. And then we have a photo op back there with the first banner, and our FTA Rich/photographer. Both banners, they're gonna get 2 photo ops? Choose your banner. Choose wisely. Alright, starting off, the imagery award. One is the right banner. One is the left. Alright, so funny. The imagery award is in honor of Jack Kanan. This award celebrates attractiveness in engineering and outstanding visual aesthetic integration from the machine to the team appearance. This team embraced the retro video game theme of Power Up. Their method of displaying sponsors really shows character. Their robot and pit is a blast to the past, decorated with old school video game characters, which really gets their heads in gear. You don't know, you don't know. Congratulations. First team 102, the Gearheads. sponsored by FCA Foundation, recognizes extraordinary enthusiasm and spirit through exceptional partnership and teamwork. It's been a long day. This group of excited roboticists have developed into an engaging, enthusiastic, and spirited team. They reach out into their communities and beyond by demonstrating their spirit in all they do. This spirit inspires youth at local fairs, farmers markets, and bring your kids to work days. Congratulations, Team 1989 Viking Robotics. Celebrates creativity in design and use of components or unique strategy of play. This team picks, manipulates, elevates, and then uniquely transfers power cubes to tip the scales in their favor. They are able to reliably lift themselves up the scale with an arsenal of a golden hook and an unbreakable chain. These creative knights have designed a unique winning combination that has not failed to impress the judges. Congratulations, first team, 56. Celebrates the entrepreneurial spirit by recognizing a team that has developed a framework for a comprehensive business plan to scope, manage, and achieve team objectives. The business plan guided this team to move forward and have a positive impact on their global community. The positive and negative forces in the financial plan were balanced through outreach events, sponsorship, and formidable hard work. The plan for victory included caring and sharing, fury, it's funny, okay, hope, that's funny too, walks, runs, drives, and long days of discovery and engineering. Congratulations, team 2590.
Founded in 2008,
sponsored by National Instruments, celebrates a rookie team for outstanding success in advancing respect and appreciation for engineering and engineers in their community. Success in the world and FIRST does not happen without reaching out and involving your community. This team switches their efforts between the robot, biology, and outreaching to their community. They inspire school authorities, sponsors, and everyone around them. The news is out. The judges were inspired by a rookie in shining armor. Congratulations, team. 6860. Celebrates machine robustness in concept and fabrication. The winning team demonstrates these characteristics in many ways, from planning through execution. Building the robot is only part of the success, and the judges recognize them as a quality example to others. This machine was intentionally designed with performance and serviceability in mind. This black and white robot glides across the field like a hot knife through butter. Your flight crew is ready. Prepare for takeoff. Congratulations, team. 747. Sponsored by Johnson & Johnson, recognizing outstanding sportsmanship and continuous gracious professionalism in the heat of competition, both on and off the field of play. To win, the team must exemplify the principles of FIRST: fairness, sharing, and persevering, and a winning attitude. Give a team a part, and you help them fix their robot for a day. Teach them how to use that part, and you can make an impact for a lifetime. This team used valuable time during competitions to instruct and assist their fellow competitors and return them to the field. Congratulations, Team 75. celebrates form and function in an efficiently designed machine that effectively addresses the game challenge. Their product and process reflects the mission of FIRST by demonstrating sound technology development from start to finish. This team is bringing the West Coast to the East with their drivetrain this year. Not only is the robot running the actual competition, but it's running a virtual one as well, with its completely animated AutoCAD. Get ready for a fight, because this team's multi-layer Lexan hook is coming out swinging. Congratulations, team 2607.
Team 2607, Help Fighting, Robotics. Archbishop Wood High School, Warminster, Pennsylvania. Founded in 2008, this is their 11th season competing with FIRST.
That's you guys. You're the judges. I'm just making sure you remembered. Yeah. All right. During the course of the competition, the judging panel encounters teams whose unique efforts, performance, or dynamics merit recognition, yet do not fit into any of the existing award categories. Today, the judges have defined the following special award as a judges award for one such deserving team. This team embraces the first message of STEAM advocacy with a unique tie to social media. Team resources and weekly updates support their online STEAM activities. Stand by for testing. Yeah, okay. We know where this is going. The Judges Award for Social STEAM goes to team, all together, 3 out of 3.
Representing Bridgewater-Raritan, Bridgewater, New Jersey. Founded in 1999, this is their 20th season competing in FIRST.
So they can join in this great high vibe joyland. How does he wear that? That looks uncomfortable. All right. The Safety Award, sponsored by Underwriters Laboratory, celebrates a team that progresses beyond safety fundamentals by using innovative ways to eliminate or protect against hazards while contributing to the enhancement of the culture of safety at FIRST. The winning team consistently demonstrates excellence in safety through the heat of competition. But before we announce the Safety Award winning team, and invite them onto the field to receive their award, the UL Safety Advisors would like to recognize and have stand up in the stands 2 runner-up teams. Both of these teams should send their safety captain to pit admin desk right after the award ceremony to pick up the hard hat pens for their teams. Our first runner-up is Team 75, Robotics. And our other runner-up is Team 4573, FRC. Let's hear it. All right, on to the safety award. This team has exemplified safety with the use of color coding, learning from their mistakes, and having a strong stance on safety. From their buddy system to emergency contact procedure, they have shown that they are certainly pioneers. We now invite to the field our safety award-winning team, Team 1676. Celebrates an innovative control system or application of control components to provide unique machine functions. Often, engineering is about making the most of what you have. Identify, orient, and pick cubes with the push of a button? Question mark? All it takes is a single photosensor and a lot of math horsepower. Congratulations, Team 3314. The Excellence in Engineering Award, sponsored by Delphi, celebrates an elegant and advantageous machine feature. The team that wins this award must be able to describe as well as demonstrate the chosen machine feature. This team may be on the older side, but they dart into action. Interesting fact, no matter how much force is applied to this team, they can always release under pressure. Alliance partners better buckle up because you're going up in style. Congratulations, team. 1676. This award celebrates the highest seeded rookie team at the conclusion of our qualifying run. Congratulations, first team. 6897.
6897, Australia Robotics from East Brunswick High School in East Brunswick, New Jersey. Ellen has 18 and 1. Rookie year.
They were sensational, and we are proud to honor them. Congratulations to the Alliance Captain Team 2590.
Competing with first. This is the rookie year. Leading it first.
Let's hear it for our district finalists. And now, the Bridgewater champions. This alliance rose to the challenge of first power up, defeated the boss, and can now proudly hang a winner's banner in their pit/anywhere they want. Congratulations to the alliance captain, Team 303. showing respect and appreciation for engineering within a team's community. Inspiring others to respect science and technology requires passion, knowledge, and commitment. FRC celebrates these qualities by presenting its Engineering Inspiration Award. Qualifying to compete for Engineering Inspiration Award at the District Championships is: this team involved the local community in their STEAM activities, reaching outside of robotics, with weekly sessions at their local library and working in their makerspace. They've made creation accessible. Congratulations, team. 224.
Team 224, the Tribe, from Pascack High School, Piscataway, New Jersey. Founded in 1999, this is their 20th season competing with FRC.
Alright, we'll make sure that they'll get their award. The first Team Lift Award District Championship semifinalists, plural. They were nominated by their teams for their direct contributions and impact on others, exemplifying leadership and commitment on the team and in their communities. The first Team Lift District Championship semifinalists recognized here today will be considered for the first Team List Finalist Award at the District Championship. Please stand when I say your name, and we will all cheer for you, and it'll be a great moment, all right? What I live for. All right, your mentor will be contacted by the district leadership to tell you your next steps via, I'm assuming, email, maybe dove or pigeon. Congratulations, I'm so glad someone asked. All right, congratulations to Hannah Epstein. Award is the most prestigious award at FRC. It honors the team that best represents and models for other teams to emulate and best embodies the purpose and goals of FRC. The Chairman's Award is presented to the team judged to have the most significant measurable impact of its partnerships among its participants and community over a sustained period, not just a single build season. The winner is able to demonstrate progress towards FRC's mission of transforming our culture. The recipient team will be invited to the district championship, where it will compete for the Chairman's Award against other winners from our other qualifying events, and they will be bringing their robot. We do ask everyone to stay in the stands, because after they come down, we will be showing their award-winning video. This team has jump-started other teams with specific emphasis on helping rookie teams through their creation and sharing of team resources. Their dedication to STEAM and outreach has captured the attention of their entire school district, which has provided additional space, equipment, and advisorship. Further supporting the initiatives of the team, the school agreed to update the athletic facilities to support their first initiative of holding 3 events for FLL, FTC, and off-season FRC events. Burning the midnight oil with their teammates and area teams. Congratulations to Team 1923.
partnership, integration, service. Even after 14 years, we still live by these words. Evolution is defined by time, so let's go back a few years. Our outreach efforts started in 2007 when we began mentoring local FLL teams. Since then, every year was a chance to reach out and offer guidance in an effort to sustain the cycle of mentorship. In 2017, we mentored 36 FRC teams. This year, the growing interest in our community led us to take on another 9 teams. One major goal this year was to create FLL and FLL junior camps to teach young students how interesting STEM can be. Because of the major support from our community and the pipeline of Midnight Inventors, this year we made our goal a reality, teaching students how to program EV3 robots to navigate a maze. Every year, the Midnight Inventors host FRC competitions to give students the opportunity to learn and compete. Our FLL State Qualifier, Minion Mayhem, FLL Junior Showcase events, and our FRC off-season have always returned positive feedback from the community. Last year, 2017, was the first year we were asked to host the FTC State Championships, the first time a high school was asked to host the event. The positive feedback from last year prompted us to host the championship once again this year, investing 645 hours into preparation and execution.
We started off my freshman year, we were building in the strip mall. The year after that, in 2015 and 2016, we worked out of the trailer that our district provided us with. But this space was very small. We had almost 100 people working out of a space that was smaller than an average classroom. Come to 2017, we moved into our brand new lab. We got to design all of the layout of the space, got to outfit it with all the tools that we needed.
In 2017, we were asked for the first time by our mayor to demo our robot at National Night Out, an event meant to strengthen the relationship between the local police force and the community. Here we found and connected interested students through our Connect program to a potential FRC team. The Midnight Inventors have also hosted Robo Expo, a showcase of all of our robots throughout the years to the community. But we are also taking an important role in the WWP Education Foundation's Innovation Fair. We are hosting 3D printing demonstrations, hands-on engineering challenges, and are part of the organizing committee. Resources are an essential part of our team. A few years ago, we started Midnight U, a series taught by 1923's leaders on the basics of an FRC team. This year, the Midnight Inventors have published a 30-page outreach manual. This handbook provides guidelines and practices for teams to further their outreach efforts.
We hope to see you at other events this year, whether it be another district or possibly even our district championship. Have a good night and get home safe.